Learn grammar through stories. Mia's busy day. Collocation. Make versus do. Let's get started. Morning routine. Mia is in the kitchen making breakfast when her roommate Lily walks in. Good morning, Mia. You're up early. Yeah, I need to make a phone call before work. Oh, and can you do the dishes before you leave? Sure. Let me just make some coffee first. Quiz. Which is correct? A. Make the dishes. B. Do the dishes. The answer is B. Do the dishes. At work, Mia is at the office with her colleague Jake. Hey, Mia, can you help me do some research for the project? Of course. I also need to make a decision about our next marketing campaign. Let's have a meeting later and make a plan together. Quiz, fill in the blank. Mia needs to. A decision about the marketing campaign. Answer, make evening plans. Mia meets her friend Emma at a cafe. I had such a busy day. I had to do so many tasks at work. Same here, but I'm happy I could make time to meet you. Let's make plans for a weekend trip soon. That sounds great. Oh, can you do me a favor and remind me to book the hotel? Quiz, true or false? We say, do a plan. False, we say, make a plan. Wrapping up the day. Mia returns home and talks to Lily. So, did you get everything done today? Yes. I helped Jake do research, I made an important decision, and I even did some exercise after work. Wow, you were productive. Now, let's make some popcorn and watch a movie. Collocations are words that naturally go together in English. Native speakers use them instinctively, and using the correct collocation makes your English sound more fluent and natural. Let's find out more. Understanding make and do. Make is used for creating, producing, or causing something. Examples: make a decision, make money, and make a mistake. Understanding make and do. Do is used for actions, tasks, or responsibilities. Examples: do homework, do the laundry, and do business. Next, let's try some quiz.